If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update. It's been some few days we haven't talked about Solana, so let's do that. And at the moment we got Bitcoin to make some red candles on a Monday, and normally I've noticed that Tuesday is the day of stop loss hunts. I've actually noticed that they love to make stop hunts on a Tuesday, and normally Wednesdays and Thursdays, Fridays we have a really good market. Now at the moment there's still really nothing bad at all with Solana. There's nothing bad. $31.73 still showing as your technical target. Now how you go there, I'm not really sure, but you can still do something like try to come down and take stop losses right here, I don't know, and then try to push up. That's a different scenario. But however, I've told you this thing before, that if you try to come down again below the trend line, and then you go below the trend line, and then you come all the way to $20.32, and you start to take $20.3, go below this trend line, which is your support at the moment, and you backtest as a resistance, and then you start to do something like that. This is what you have to keep an eye on. So it's going to take days to see that happening. Now it's still okay coming down and trading between these levels. Remember, you're just a trader and you must pay attention to the levels, because these can actually highlight as a big area. So let's do what the area looks like. Actually, let me just draw that really quick for you, and let's bring in the rectangle right over there. Now I do think if I drop in the rectangle right over here, you can actually say that this is a zone that is okay for Solana to be in. I'm actually going to tone down that one just a little bit, and if you start to, maybe the first negative sign is going to be that if you try to come down and stay inside this rectangle, basically that's actually fine. That's a whole area of the safe zone. But if you try to come below that triangle, backtest like this, come down and take 20.29 and go like this, do something like that, you could actually start to make this old very bad red candles again. So be careful. I'm just going to leave you with this one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.